Greetings everyone, thanks for stopping by. With technology at your fingertips, you have access to unlimited opportunities. In this video, I will tell you how to make money from your iPhone. The chances that you or someone you know have a smartphone is 100%. You could consider this a side hustle that could potentially transition into your main hustle. Some ways you can make money from your phone are from shopping gigs, focus groups, opinion surveys, and selling items from your phone. So let's take a moment to deep dive into each of these categories. With shopping gigs, you are compensated through gift cards, points, or cashbacks by visiting portal sites that redirect you to the store that you're going to shop. Some portal sites are credit card shopping portals. If you have a credit card, it's highly likely that the credit card has its own shopping portal, which award points from every dollar that you spend. Sometimes they offer a bonus. I've even seen up to 25 points per dollar. So spending $100 will get you 2,500 points. The value can vary based on redemption of gift cards, items, miles, or hotels. And for shopping gigs, there are Shopkick. You earn points to redeem for gift cards. The neat thing about Shopkick is that you don't even have to buy anything. You can earn points by walking into the store and scanning items. Mobi app. Make money by taking pictures of things in your favorite stores. Neat feature of missions, you get rewards from shopping that you plan to do, which is an added value. Easy Ship, a mystery shopper app that provides a list for you to check off, such as taking pictures, checking prices, writing reviews, or just to list a few ways to earn on Easy Shift. For focus group and opinion surveys, some options are user testing. The concept is very cool. It pays $10 per 20 minutes to test out products and apps, but there are a limited number of projects available per week. U-Test is like user testing. You'll be creating reports that can help you score $10 to $100 a week. Survey Junkie, just as the name suggests, you will complete survey for points that can redeem for cash or gift cards. Finally, last but not least, selling items from your phone. Postmark is a good site to sell your used apparel. You can create an account in seconds. Take a picture, describe the item, and post it online for sale. Be mindful of the fees. It ranges, depending on the price of the item, up to 20% of the item selling price. Here's a couple of side hustles that is available through your phone, but I won't go into detail in this video. Some of the side hustles are some of which you're familiar with: Uber, Airbnb, Grubhub, just to name a few. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe and like button. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Dom with the I&I Group.